This is the first prototype of what we call our mini mountain. It's our take on a Pickler Triangle. We've designed it so that it's modular and can be configured into a lot of different shapes. It's basically something that you would use for developing motor skills in kids from 6 months all the way up to 6 years old. It was invented by a pediatrician about 100 years ago, and a lot of parents are probably already familiar with this, but we wanted to show some of the enhancements that we've designed into it to make it more fun and useful. So we'll start off, each of these leg sections is identical. They're made of these cogs, plywood frame, and the dowels. On one side you've got a pair of cogs, and on the other side you've got a pair of pockets. And they're designed to interlock with each other to create the different sections and configurations. So in order for them to interlock, you've got to match a cog to a pocket. And to do that, we've got to flip alternating sections around. And then align the cog to the pocket, and you'll see that it just fits into place. Each of the cogs, if you look closely, has a little bit of a chamfer in it to allow for it to slide in a lot more easily. Then once they're attached, you take these handles that we've made, and you might notice some little detail there, these little M's.
Mountain maker.
And they've got an embedded nut. So you take a bolt, pop it through the inside, use the handle to align the nut, connect it, and then tighten up that joint. I'm going to do the same with the other section. So again, what we're going to do is alternate it so that the pockets will match up with the cog. Okay. Add a bolt and a handle to clamp it down. Now we've got 2 leg sections, and we can set it up as a classic Pickler Triangle. So I'm going to flip this around so that the pocket is facing the cog. And since the cogs have 12 points, this allows for 30 degrees of rotation or 30-degree angles when you're putting together each section. Now a classic Pickler Triangle is set at about 60 degrees. Okay, we'll let that be until we can
How
come
much
back to
easier is this with me?
a ton easier, but you know I can get it done since I can't do the video and this at the same time. So here we go. Clamp it in. Once we've got them connected, I can stand it up and add the clamps to the other side. You can see it's doable by one person. It's a lot easier when you've got a partner.
Aww.
Okay, one more on this side. And once they're tightened, it's nice and sturdy. Sturdy enough for me to even use, but I wouldn't recommend it. But the important thing is it's safe and it's sturdy. We're going to be testing out this prototype some more to optimize it. But I wanted to show one configuration just to show you how easy it is to reconfigure this. I'm going to put it on its side to make it easier for one person to do it. And I'm going to disconnect this bottom section. Okay. I'm going to just rotate the leg like that, and then reattach. Like that. Made it as tight as it can. And I don't know what that is, but we're not done. Go ahead and do this side the same way. And take that, rotate it into place. So the nice thing with 12 different angle or 12 different positions for each of the cogs, there's a number of ways you could assemble or configure this. For this particular one, what we've done is we created a mini mountain.
An M, mountain maker, mini mountain.
So this is our first prototype. We're going to be improving on it, testing it, refining it, but we wanted to share to show you what we have so far, and hopefully you'll see more of it. Thanks for watching.